Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to deliver my project about RMIT accessibility from any area around Melbourne by walking, cycling, and using public transportation. The idea behind this project is how GIS can help a new international students to determine their accommodation option regarding the travel time towards university and how do they travel to the campus by walking, cycling, using tram or train. Here, the literature I used in this project. The first literature is about healthcare services based on geographical accessibility, and the second literature is about playground as indicator of accessibility. To build the map, the special data involved in this project are Victoria address, road infrastructure data, and PTV transport data, and I got all of this data from Spatial Data Mart. During the process to build the map, I used several assumptions. First, related to the public transportation use, I assumed that the travel from accommodation to the campus only use one type of transportation. For example, if we chose to travel using tram, from the start point, in this case the tram stops near the accommodation, until the end point, in this case RMIT University tram stops in front building 8, we use tram only. No combination applied. Second, the transit time is equal to 0. If we back to the previous example, when we use tram and we need to make a transit on the particular tram stops, we will get the other tram immediately. Third, related to the time impedance, the service area will cover maximum 20 minutes from any address to the study location. Then the last assumption is, in this project, I used the average speed to get the time travel by walking about 4.5 km per hour, bicycling 20 km per hour, tram 15 km per hour, and train 80 km per hour. The study area of this project is based on Victoria area, which has 9 main campuses and 42 satellite campuses. The focus will be on RMIT University. And for the public transportation in the Victoria, I will use PTV Public Transport Victoria, and the focus will be aimed at all tram stops and train station. If I can make a resume on the network analysis method that was implemented in developing the RMIT accessibility map, there are 4 main steps. Determine the facility location, generate network dataset using service area method, and classifying the area based on time travel. In this project, the travel time classification is divided into 3 zones, 10, 15, and 20 minutes. This is the general process I have done to perform network analysis using ArcGIS. And from each map I produce with this general process, I do overlay them so that we will know the accessibility option in the certain place. In the network analysis, there is one important factor to be determined in implementing it. Yep, the facility location. To develop the walking and bicycling map, I used RMIT Building 8 as the facility. Then to develop tram transportation map, I used RMIT University stop, which is this tram stop is located right in front of building, and Melbourne Central Station tram stop. For train transportation map, I used only Melbourne Central train station as the facility location. Here, the maps about the area around RMIT campus that can be the option for us if we want our travel time from the accommodation to the RMIT campus within maximum 20 minutes by walking. From this map, we got that the green area is the location with travel time within 10 minutes, Then the yellow area is the location with travel time between 10 and 15 minutes, and red area is the location with travel time between 15 and 20 minutes. This is the maps that show us the area around our RMIT campus that having travel time from the accommodation to the RMIT campus within maximum 20 minutes by using bicycle. From the maps legend, we got that the green area was the location with travel time within 10 minutes. Then the yellow area is the location with travel time between 10 to 15 minutes, and the red area is the location with travel time between 15 and 20 minutes. If we combine the walking and bicycling maps, we will get the maps will be like this. We can see that all the walking area is in the 10 minutes bicycling area. This is the maps that show the area that have travel time within maximum 20 minutes by using train or tram. And this is the combination maps by using walking, bicycling, tram, and train. Next, I would like to show you the simulation how this RMIT accessibility map works. Suppose we are new international students just come or are going to come in the next few days to Melbourne. By using housing websites such as this RMIT student housing website, we start to find the accommodation. Then, randomly, we are interested on two addresses. First, 146 Queensberry Street, Carlton, and second address, 18 McCracken Street, Kensington. When we are using Google Maps, we use direction button and we get the information that by walking it takes 7 or 8 minutes, whereas by cycling it needs 3 minutes. We put the address on the maps and here we go. It is not really much different though. We got 146 Queensberry Street. It needs almost 10 minutes to go to the campus. When we are checking the second address on the Google Maps by using bicycle, it takes around 18 to 20 minutes, depends on the route. Then by using tram, it needs 19 minutes, of course, by omitting the travel time by walking to or from tram stops. Finally, by using train, it needs 10 minutes. The same calculation with the tram by omitting the walking time here. What about using RMIT accessibility map? Here we got that by using bicycle, it takes almost 15 minutes. Because, as we've seen, the address is fallen at the yellow area, slightly to the red area. Then if we look at using tram and train maps, we get, if we choose to use tram, it takes around 20 minutes. And if we choose using train, it takes around 10 minutes. This result nearly the same with what we get in the Google Maps. But the advantages by using our RMIT accessibility map, by overlaying the transportation maps, we will get the overall information on the transportation option can we take to go to RMIT City campus and help us to determine is the location good enough related to the campus access. Regarding to the assumption and limitation in this project, I'm sure in the future the maps produced in this project still need a lot of improvement, especially for train or tram maps. Maybe we can add walking travel time or transportation combination as well on the maps. And we need to include rush hour effect as well to the travel time to distinguish the travel time within the rush hour and without rush hour. But overall, the surface area method used in this project is suitable to solve the accommodation preference related to travel time towards facility. And the map result in this project nearly similar with what we get using existing application. So here I hope this project will contribute on the people who wants to find good accommodation in Melbourne regarding to transportation access to the campus, especially for new international students like me. Thanks for the attention.